Alright, so today we're looking at the Z370 SLI Plus from MSI. Alright. You look at the back. We're going to get right into it. We're going to go ahead and skip the motherboard, go right to the extras. We've got the I/O shield, a high bandwidth SLI bridge. Alright. Moving on. We've got what I presume an RGB extender cable. You have your male end and your female end. You have two SATA cables, one with a 90-degree, one flat and flat and flat. You got your driver and utility CD. We've got a thank you card. We've got a quick installation guide and manual. So that's all well and good. Alright, so now we're going to get into this motherboard. We have 2x16 with the reinforced. We got another by 16, 3x1 PCI. We have, of course, our socket, 4 DIMM slots, up to 3000 megahertz memory, supposedly. We've got an 8-pin EPS power. We have 2 M.2 slots. We've got a USB 3 header at the front, another USB 3, 9 SATA ports. We have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 fan headers on this board. So in the back here we have 2 USB 2, PS2, DVI, USB 3.1 Gen 2, 4 USB 3.1 Gen 1, I believe a HDMI 1.4, gigabit Ethernet, 7.1 surround, and a SPDIF, which is your optical audio.